Hello, primary one. How are you today? Ahmed wants to buy a gift for his mother. He went to the gift shop. What he need to buy this gift, primary one? Does he need a book to buy this gift? Does he need a food to buy this gift? Of course not. He needs money to buy this gift. So, if we want to buy anything we need, we're gonna need money. So, today we're gonna learn the value of money and how can we count any amount of money to can buy anything we want like food, toy, candy and so on. We're gonna learn each amount of money. Like here, it's a front and back of what? £1. You can see one here and one there. And this one, it's also £1, but in a coin shape. You can see also one here. So all of it is what? It's £1, or I can say 1 LE. It's the same. Here we're gonna say £5, front and the back of the £5, or 5 LE. Super. You can see here 5, and here is 5. Super. Now it's the front and the back of £10, or 10 LE. We can see 10 here and 10 there. So we're gonna learn that every piece of paper had a number. 1, 5, 10. Each one has a number, like we see here. Here is a £20, front and back for £20, or 20 LE. It's the same like we said. Can you tell me what is this? Read the number on the paper and tell me what is this. It's 50 LE. Excellent. And what is this? Read the number. Here, the number is here. Is what? What is this? It's 100 LE. Excellent. So, we learn now the value of money. Now we're gonna learn how to count any amount of money so we can buy anything we need or anything we want. It's so simple, primary one. It's just like numbers. How can we count any numbers? When I told you 1 plus 1, you tell me what is the answer? 1 plus 1 equal 2. Very good. If I told you 1 bird plus 1 bird, you tell me what is the answer? 1 bird plus 1 bird equal 2 birds. So when I told you 1 LE plus 1 LE equal what? Equal 2 LE. So it's gonna be so easy. It's just like numbers. The first example is so easy. Who can count with me what is this amount of money? Here we have 1 LE, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's what? It's 5 LE. Super. Like we said, it's just like numbers. When I told you 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 5. So it's like just a number. So can anyone tell me, is this amount of money and this amount of money is the same? Is it equal? Of course it's equal. Why, Miss Mona? Because here we have £5 and here we have also £5. So both of them are equal but in a different shape. In a different shape. We can use here 5 LE, 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1, or we can use there one piece of paper. It's called 5 LE. So both of them are equal. So can anyone tell me what is this amount of money? We have 5 and 5. 5 and 5 equal what? Equal 10 LE. So can I say this amount of money is equal 10 LE? Yes, it's also 10 LE because this amount of money and this amount of money are equal. Now, who can tell me what is this amount of money? We have 5, 1 and 1. Like we said before, it's just like a number. All of them are ones, so we can add it easily. 5 and 1 equal what? Super, equal 7 pound or 7 LE. Remember primary 1 when we learned to count tens? When I asked you 10 plus 10, you said 20. When I asked you 30 plus 50, you said 80. Super. So, who can tell me 10 LE plus 10 LE equal what? Equal 20 LE. Super. And this amount of money equal what? Equal also 20 LE. Both of them are equal? Yes. So, who can tell me what is this amount of money? 10 and 5 and 5. 10 and 5 and 5. It's also 20 LE. So, three amount of money in a different shape. Three of them are 20 LE. If your dad gave you this amount of money, who can tell me what is this amount of money? Can you count with me? Yes. 50 LE plus 20 LE plus 10 LE equal 80 LE. Just like numbers, 50 plus 20 plus 10 equal 80. So 50 LE plus 20 LE plus 10 LE equal 80 LE. Can anyone tell me which of this amount are greater? First, we have to count each amount of them. The first amount is 1 and 1 and 1. It's just like a number, like we said. 1 and 1 and 1 equal what? 1 LE, 1 LE, and 1 LE equal what? Equal 3 LE. And the second one here is just 5. So 5 LE. Like we said before, is just a number. 3 LE and 5 LE. Which number is greater? Of course, 5 LE. Super. Now, can anyone tell me which of this amount are greater? We have to know each amount equal what? Equal 20, of course. 20 equal 20, of course. 10 equal 10. So, which one is greater? Of course, 20 is greater than 10. So, 20 LE is greater than 10 LE. If your friend has two pieces of paper with 20 and 50 LE, and you have only one piece of paper with 100 LE, your friend told you, I have two pieces of paper and you have only one piece of paper, so I have much money more than you. Is he right, primary 1? Let's see. Your friend has 20 and 50 LE. 20 plus 50 equal 70 LE. And you have 100 LE. So, if we compare between 70 LE and 100 LE, which number is greater? Of course, 100 is greater than 70. So, we didn't compare between two paper and between one paper. We compare between amount of money. You have 100 LE and your friend has 70 LE. So, you have much money more than your friend. Now, which amount is more than the other? We have 5 and 5 and 10. 5 and 5 equal 10. 5 plus 5 equal 10. And here we have 10. 10 and 10, we didn't compare between the paper, we compare between the amount. Here's the amount is 10 LE and there's the amount 10 LE. Which number is greater? Of course, both of them are equal. We learn how to count amount of ones together and how we count amount of tens together. So now we're gonna learn how to count amount of tens and ones all of together. The first example here, I have tens and ones, and I want everyone from you to tell me what is this amount. Okay? It's so easy. Who remember our song when we first learned addition and subtraction primary 1? We said, yes, collect the ones together, collect the tens together. Here we're gonna do the same, but first we're gonna take collect the tens together, then collect the ones together. It's the same song, but we have first to collect the tens and put it in the tens place, and then we collect the ones and put it in ones place. So 10 equal what? If here we have the first tens. 10 equal what? Equal 1/10. Super. And here we have 20. Who can tell me 20 equal what? Equal 2/10. Super. I have another tens here or just once? Just one. Super. So we collect the tens together and put it in the tens place. Here is the tens place. 2 plus 1. Count with me, primary 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. I put it in tens place. Very good. So after we collect the tens together, we collect what? The ones together. Here we have 1 and there we have another 1. So collect the ones together. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Put it in the 2 place. So now we know that we have 32 LE. Is that easy or not? It's super easy. Super. Now please go bring your copybook and your pencil and come to solve with this exercise with me. I have here amount of money. I want from each one to tell me what is this amount of money are. First we're gonna collect as much tens we can. And put it in the tens place, and the remain gonna be in the ones place. First paper we have here is 50 pounds or 50 LE. 50 pounds equal what? Equal 5/10. Excellent. Second, here we have 5 pound or 5 LE. 5 LE equal what? Equal 5/10 or 5 ones? 5 ones. Excellent. Here I have 1 pound, and here I have another 1 pound equal 1 ones. The last one here is 10 pound. 10 pound equal what? 1 ones or 1/10? 1/10. Excellent. So we have here 5/10, 1/10. If I add 5 plus 1 plus 1, it's gonna be less than 10 or more than 10? Less than 10. So 5 and 1 will be remain, and we're gonna put it in the ones place. So here I have 5/10 and 1/10. Here I have 5 and 1/10. We have another 10 here or just 5 and 1? Just 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 equal what? Equal 6. Excellent. I will put it in tens place. And here I have 5 ones and 1 ones and 1 ones. 5 plus 1 plus 1 equals 7. I will put it in ones place. So this amount of money equal 67 LE. Are you ready for another exercise, primary 1? Say yes, Miss Mona, we are ready. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Stand up. Sit down. Yes, you are ready, primary 1. Who can tell me what is this amount of money? First, we're gonna collect all the tens we have and put in the tens place. Then we're gonna collect the ones or the remain and put in the ones place. So collect the tens together, then collect the ones together. First number we have here is 20 LE. 20 LE equal 2 tens or 2 ones? Super. 20 equal 2 tens. Second number here is 5 LE. 5 LE equal 5 ones. Another 5 LE equal another 5 ones. Here we have 1 pound or 1 LE equal 1 ones. Excellent. Primary 1. Can I collect 5 plus 5 plus 1? Can I make 10 from these ones? If I collect 5 and 5 and 1s, can I make 10s? Think with me here. I have 5 ones and 1 ones. I need to collect another 10. Can I collect 10s from these ones? Of course, Miss Mona, we can collect or add 5 plus 5, because 5 plus 5 equal what? 10 pound. 5 pound plus 5 pound equal 10 pound. So we have another 10s here because we have 10 pound. So we have another 10s here. 10 pound equal 1 tenth. So we have here 2 tenths, 1 tenth, and 1 ones. So Collect the tens together. Collect the ones together. 2 tens plus 1 tens equal 3 tens. Super. And we have 1 remain. Equal 1. So the amount of this money is 31 LE. Now we learn the value of money, how to count any amount of money, and how to compare between amounts of money. You are ready to go ask your parent to buy anything you want by yourself now. But first we have only one more exercise and you're gonna be ready, okay? I have here different things like candy, like toys, and I have here different amount of money. I want from you to join the right amount of money to the right thing we're gonna buy, okay? First here I have 5 pound or 5 LE. What can I buy with 5 LE? I can buy this lollipop. Excellent. Second, I have 20 LE plus 50 LE. 20 and 50 equal 70 LE. Excellent. Third, I have 10 LE plus 10 LE. I have 2 tens here. I have 4 ones here. So 2 tens and 4 ones equal what? 24 pounds. So I can buy this toy with 24 pounds. Last here, I have 20 pounds. I can buy this toy with 20 pounds. That's all for today, primary 1. I hope this lesson gonna be useful in your daily life. I love you. See you soon.